Hi guys, this is Verleen and I'm back to my YouTube channel finally, and I'm creating this makeup look right here. It's very natural, very skin friendly and amazing to carry every day. So let's get started. This is me with no makeup and I'm prepping my skin with Nuske skincare serum. It has golden dew particles in it, so it's very good for that golden glow I want for this particular look. And I have dry skin and I'm just patting the face oil from the same brand, and it gives me that glow I want for this makeup look. Just moving on to a color corrector from Cover FX, and this one is an amazing color corrector which just color corrects everything out, and I'm blending it with a beauty blender. I always try to mist my beauty blenders with a fixing spray. And for foundation, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. It's an amazing luminous foundation, guys. You can go ahead and buy it. It's a bit on pricier side, but it gives you that glow. And for contour, taking a darker shade of foundation just to naturally contour my cheeks, my jawline, everywhere else. So for the eyes, I'm going in with the same brand, the Soft Glam palette, which is very popular. Apply this first shade called Dusty Rose on my eyelids, like all over my eyelids, and just taking a darker brown shade and contouring my eyes a bit more. I'm going to use a concealer for the inner thirds and just create a soft cut crease effect so that whatever we put on it comes out nicely. And then for the outer corners, I'm just using a dark eyeshadow. For the inner parts, I wanted to go with the rose gold shimmer, so I'm just applying it with the warmth of my fingers. And now I'm filling my eyebrows with this Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. Just filling the sparse areas, nothing too much. And I don't apply kajal, so I'm just taking that brown color we took for the outer third and just blending it with a transition shade called Dusty Rose again. And I'm taking an angular brush to create a wing. I've created a line first and then I'm joining it with my lash line and just filling everything out then. That's it, that's the wink liner. My favorite mascara of all time. I'm so happy it's on Nykaa, so you can get your hands on it, and I am damn sure you will love it. So I'm just putting like 2-3 coats of it, and you can see how amazing my eyes look after this. And for the inner corners, I'm using the same eyeshadow palette and the color called Fairy. Lastly, the lipstick, not exactly last, but lipstick for the lips, and just applying it like I would generally apply a lipstick. It's from YSL Beauty and it's my favorite color of all time. And the blush is the last step, and just applying it on my apples. This is a blush book by Tarte, and we are done, guys. This is all I would do for a party makeup, and I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.